Hello, I am Jessica Eddy Story from Transform Myofascial Release in Beverly, Massachusetts, and I want to tell you about your fascia, biggest organ in your body, really big deal, probably the reason you're still in pain despite everything else you've tried. And I want to tell you about some tools that can help you this holiday season and beyond. Back, neck, or shoulders, or hip chronic pain, grinding your teeth, or a nasty migraine, Myofascial Self-Treatment, the relief it brings. These are a few of my favorite things. Plantar fasciitis, get these on your toes. Cranio Cradle for all of your woes. Lie on your foam roller, your arms out like wings. These are a few of my favorite things. Oxi Pivot, or legs up the wall. It can go anywhere, your MFR ball. MFR Tools, melt your achings. These are a few of my favorite things. When your neck hurts, when your back stings, when I'm feeling sad, I simply remember my MFR things, and then I don't feel so bad. All right, thank you guys. I can hear the applause. Yes, love it. So I didn't miss my calling. I am a much better myofascial release therapist, but I do love to perform to anyone. So I'll give you a brief explanation of the tools and a little bit about self-treatment from an MFR John Barnes perspective. You want to relax into a maneuver for at least 3 to 5 minutes. With a foam roller, you're not rolling over all the speed bumps of lumps in your fascia and your muscles. You're gonna relax and apply the pressure into your body for 3 to 5 minutes. And it works wonderfully on your back, lying on your back on the floor, with your arms out like a W, a T, a Y. Just open up your chest. MFR balls, you can put them anywhere that you have soreness, discomfort. Just make sure the rest of your body is comfortable. So grab a pillow, whatever you need, so that you can maneuver your body into a position to put these on your back, your glutes, your piriformis. And I have a couple of videos on my YouTube channel that go into how to really position these in your body to get some releases. So this fancy looking colorful gadget is the Sacro Wedgie. It can really help to relax and release the structures in and around the pelvis. So this is a favorite. For you crafty people at home, you can make this yourself. It's actually 2 tennis balls and an old sock. We call it Tandem tennis balls. Tandem tennis balls, wonderful. You can go up or down the length of your spine and find some tender areas and relax there, allowing the fascia to release for at least 3 to 5 minutes. All right, up next are Acumobility Balls. They are better than balls because they don't roll away. You can lie on the floor, finally get into the traps without the balls rolling away. These really are a miracle, and they stick to the wall. Who would have ever thought? Pool noodle. So much fun in the pool, but did you know you can use this to release your legs, your iliotibial band, the front and back of your calves? It's wonderful. If a foam roller is too much, pool noodle is just enough. We're not going for pain, we are going for tenderness and opening with myofascial release. So next, the wedges to help balance the pelvis. You really need a therapy treatment session to work with these and understand how to use them with your body. These little guys are fun. These are toe spreaders. Wonderful when you have sore feet, if you need a pedicure, but they separate your toes. I don't recommend wearing them and walking around. You know, put them on, read a book, watch TV, let your feet rest. 10 minutes is great, but build up to it. lovely things, little ooh, jiggly little, fun little suckers. Now we have the elusive Cranio Cradle. It can go this way, this way, this way, in so many places. You can release between the shoulders, the sacrum. It's also magical releasing the diaphragm so you can sing your Christmas carols with a full breath of air. This is a tender spot though. If you put this here, I have a smaller rib cage so it doesn't really fit, but I'll go this way for 5-ish minutes, this way for 5-ish minutes, and there'll be a lot of, it's not comfortable when I do it, and I do it often. It still is an area that gets tight on me. I need more myofascial release. And last but not least at all, this is the Oxi Pivot. You see these little guys? They're like fingers. They're like my fingers pulling and distracting on your head. It's wonderful. All right. So if you have any questions about these wonderful self-treatment tools, reach out. I'll put a link below. And happy holidays. I wish you health, well-being. May your body be merry, may your spirit be bright. And if you're not sleeping the night, you can book a session. You can also find an MFR therapist anywhere in the world, or the United States and maybe some parts of Europe and Canada. If you'd like to know more, you can reach out. There's a link to my website with links on where to get these things, about your fascia, and also how to find a therapist near you or how to book a session with me. Happy holidays. I wish you all the health in the new year, and may your body be merry and your soul be bright.